Yeah, hi everyone. So, like, as I have started my channel, so today I'm just showcasing to you that this is a thing that I just to be ordered about the thing about the tablet, and this was ready. Okay, so this is the GAOMON tablet. So about that, so let me show you about that. So let me unboxing this thing. Okay, so now I'm using a pen because I think I don't have a cutter. So yeah. I'll let you know when I will share the link to you in my chat so you guys can in the address. So this is the tablet and this is the GAOMON S620 tablet name. So let me open it. Okay, let me unwrap this thing. So it has, yeah. Oh, great. So let me open this thing. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so what is the thing that I have got it? So I have got one user manual about it. It gives me an instruction to be download the driver of their official website basically. So let me keep it aside. We will be working on later on. So what are the other things be there? Oh, nice. So one is a cable. Okay, I guess this cable can be connecting to one side to my tablet. Another one is on my laptop. So it gives a USB port option, and this is a typical Samsung port which we older we are using. Okay, it doesn't give a C type. That's a strange thing. Now let me see. Oh, this is a pen, and in a pen we have a two clicks over there. I will show you. So wow, nice, no? So this is a pen, and this is a two clicks be there, so I can be able to customize these two keys. Okay, based on my requirement, based on my preferences. So let me keep it aside. So this is a pen stand, oh, pen cover, I guess. So yeah, this is a pen cover. Okay, so in case, because this is a so sensitive, right? In case if it's broken, if it's be fall out from, okay, so it will be secure. So for secure, yeah, great. So yeah, nice. So you can use this thing now. Let me close this thing. Let me open. Oh, sorry. I guess I have to be open like this way. So this is a tablet, writing tablet. Oh, nice. They give an external security part. Okay, so this is a tab. It gives one, two, three, four keys be there, and this is my writing area where I can write up all the things by following the pen using the pen. And there you see in the bottom side it gives you it's a battery free graphic tablet basically. It doesn't added any battery for that, so this is a plus point, so I don't need to worry about the pen inserting a battery. And these are the stopper for which is be placed here, so that this will helping to make sure the grip of this tab, of this writing tab. Okay, so let me keep it this here. Right, so what are the other things we have? Oh, great. So this is, I guess, yeah, extra nibs be there in case if my nib will be broken, or in case if my nib is not to be working, then they have provided how many nibs were there, by the way? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 nibs they were providing along with the nib ejector. Okay, they are giving a nib ejector for that. So this is the thing. Okay, so we don't need to. Oh, nice, this is the ejector. Even they have also given me ejector. Ejector means a converter, you can see. So even I can able to use this tablet for my mobile if they are supporting to a C-type cable. Okay, so they'll give me a USB option, and there is a C-type option. So that's nice. So I guess this will be plugged into the front of the screen. Yeah, nice. So I can even, like, as of now I have a Mac, so I can, this will be best option for me. Oh, that's great. What are the things? Oh, there is a manual about that, how to be use this tablet. What are the main keys of that? It gives you an entire guide of that. Pen nib controller, micro B, USB, and digital pen, stylo number unique, and these are giving us all the information. LED indicator. It has LED indicator inside the. This is my LED. Okay, so once we will be plug and play, then we will be see you. So yeah, so this is, they will be letting me know that how we can use it. Even I can operate by using this thing to my mobile also, and this is the thing which I need to download from the website. Okay, I hope that will be visible to you. So yeah, great, then we have a great experience. So let's see about that, how it performs, how it works. Okay, so now I have already given you everything. So to be performance part, so in my upcoming videos I'm trying to use this GAOMON tablet or writing tablets. So in upcoming videos. Okay, what is this? Oh yeah, this is the thing now. So let me just unwrap this thing. I'm not keeping this thing inside the box, so I'm using this thing, and so, and whatever my upcoming videos in my channel I'm posting, so all are be regarding to this with using this pen. So this will be really helpful for me, and I'm still looking for that. And let's see that how it works, how was the performance. Even I will be communicate this thing to you, writing experience of mine as I'm starting to work on it. Okay, let me see, the nib size here remains same, just to be differences in case. Yeah, nibs remain same. Okay, so what are the things we use? We using 1, 2, 3 things. Rest everything I'm keeping into this box because I don't think so that we require here. Let me keep this thing. Okay, I don't want to be throw this box. And this is a recyclable cycle here. So let me do one thing. Let me close this thing, and I require a GAOMON 0. Okay, I don't need it. Let me close it. So this is my final product. Okay, so using this product I can write up anything using this insertion of cable. Okay, so this point will be put it into inside this section there. It keeps me checked off. Oh, nicely. Okay, so yeah, that's all from my side. So let's continue I'm making my videos. So please subscribe my channel, KapilCodeHub. All right, bye.